boys, girls, girls, girls alone. We got girls. Ladies and gentlemen, girls. Ladies and gentlemen, girls. Ladies and gentlemen, girls. Oh my goodness. Girls. Girls. We got girls. Team Girls alone. We can appreciate her.
Peke yangu haiwezekani, usingekuwa upande wangu.